The training is really comprehensive and intensive, covering a wide range of essential topics. You will learn about instrument flying, instrument approaches, and onboard procedures. Basically, everything you need to know to navigate aircraft safely through various phases of flight. Meteorology is a big part of it too. You will study weather patterns and how they impact flight operations. Navigation skills are crucial. You'll learn about different navigation systems and how to use them effectively. Regulations are another key area. You'll dive deep into aviation regulations that govern flight operations, ensuring you understand how to operate within legal boundaries. Aircraft systems are also on the agenda. You will get familiar with the systems that keep the aircraft running smoothly, from engines to avionics. Emergency procedures are a significant focus as well. You will be trained to handle various emergency scenarios, ensuring you are prepared to make critical decisions under pressure. One of the highlights of the course is creating a full flight plan.